let me go watch LaMelo ball, and then I go watch his YouTube video, and then oh shoot,
Yeah.
12:20.
Maybe we need to go back to like physical alarm clocks. And first,
Yeah.
like I feel like I don't know, Apple, you need to fix your alarm clock app because this app does like I swear it doesn't always go off sometimes. Like
It doesn't, yeah.
because like maybe like did I just oversleep? No, it just really didn't go off.
It's super quiet as well. Like the phone alarms.
Yes. Apple, fix your alarm
yeah.
app. It sucks.
Yeah.
I need something that actually wakes me up. So I'm gonna probably eventually go get a physical alarm because their alarm sucks. I use the Alexa, but like when you think about it, like all I have to be is like Alexa turn off alarm, and then I can just go right back to sleep. Like like how you talk to things when you're still kind of drowsy and sleep. Like
Right.
it's the same thing. So it doesn't really work for me, but it is a second alarm I use.